Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can upload music to Spotify. Now, Spotify doesn't exactly work like YouTube, where you can just upload your own video freely as long as you have an account. With Spotify, you will have to find a distributor to upload your music for you to Spotify. Now, there's a lot of distributors you can pick from, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload your music with Route Note, right? Because this one is free and it's pretty easy to show you how to as well. So once you have a Route Note account here, you just have to go to distributions, and on distribution, create a new release. On create a new release, let's wait for it to load. Now for the UPC/EAN, if you have one, you can fill this in, but if you don't, let's just leave it blank. For the release title, let's just make something. I'm just gonna call it new music. I'm gonna click on create release. Let's just wait for it to load again. Now on here, you will have to fill in all of your details for your music, like the album details, the add audio, the add artwork. So your album and your audio and all of your actual music, you will have to fill all of these in. But the thing I'm going to show you is that you have to go to manage stores, and you need to make sure Spotify is checked so that your music is actually distributed to Spotify. So make sure this is checked and not unchecked. Now all of these stores you can see. You can also pick other stores if you want to upload it there too. But of course, the thing we want is Spotify. Now, as long as you see this as checked, we can click on save and continue. After that, you just have to fill in the rest of your music details, and then your music will be uploaded into Spotify. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.